Hello guys, my name is Mutawini and I'm back with a very important and interesting video of how to use rice water for your hair growth. I know some of you might have heard about rice water, so today I'm going to be talking about rice water for hair growth, and it's a method that I've been using now for 1 year. Yeah, and it has actually helped my hair grow personally. Rice water method for hair growth is a method that has been used by a small village called the Yao village. So I'm going to use the exact method they use. There are other methods which people use on their hair to grow, but I'm going to use the exact method which the Yao village use because I feel it's much more better. So I'm going to use rice and an orange. Here I already have 1 glass of rice which I'm going to be using. So I'm doing the first wash, and I don't use the first ring, so I'm going to pour this out. I use the second water after pouring the first rings. This is the water I use to make my rice water here. So I'm trying to wash my rice thoroughly. Until the water gets the whitish color. So what I do, I normally wash my rice. I normally prepare my rice water whenever I'm cooking rice, so that I don't waste the rice. So if mostly the start of the week, maybe that Sunday or a Monday, when I cook rice, I normally use now the water to prepare my rice water to avoid washing my rice when I don't feel like cooking rice. And that is now enough. So now I also have my oranges here, but I only need the outer part. I don't need the fruit itself. This is the only part I need to make my rice water. You can use an orange or a lemon or the tangerine. Yeah. So I'm going to boil this. I'm going to boil it. So I'm through with the boiling. I'm going to let this cool down. Yeah. So guys, now my mixture is ready, so I'm going to put it here. It has cooled down. I put it in this tin and I let it stay for 6 to 7 days. Then I use it. So when I'm using it, I first sieve it. I remove first these cover parts of the orange, the outer part of the orange. I remove it. Now the 6th or the 7th day, the day I decided to use it. So I remove them and I sieve the liquid and I dip the ends of my hair in the liquid, and after which now I go ahead and pour the liquid on my head until it's well spread all over my hair, and I let it stay for 30 minutes, after which I wash it out. So the outer cover of the orange is actually to make sure that your rice water smells good, to ensure that it doesn't smell bad because of keeping it for a week. Yeah, and remember, you should not keep it in a fridge because you want it to ferment. Yeah, so you just store it somewhere cool. Yeah, so the orange covers ensure that your rice water smells good actually. So guys, if you have any question concerning rice water or concerning natural hair growth or concerning natural hair products, leave your comment below, because my next video I will be addressing questions on natural hair and anything to do with hair growth. So guys, if you use this method for hair growth, I'm sure it will help you because it is something that has actually helped me. So guys, thank you for watching, and remember to share the link with your friends and encourage them to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will really appreciate you guys. So bye.